Hello. So today we will be talking about real social media automation, and I will be showing you exactly here from start to finish where we will generate text, we will plan, we will generate ideas, we will finalize the text, images, and we will even schedule all the posts on our social media right from using Claude and Codex. Maybe you have heard about a lot of social media automation, but this video will be definitely is going to game changing because I am using it for myself. I am developing AI automation systems for my clients from last few years, but this one actually took my own job because initially we were doing it with N8N, where you take the idea in one stage in Notion, then you shortlist, then you take it to the next pipeline to write the content, you generate the images, and then you post it to one social media. So there was a complete workflow inside N8N that you build for one platform, and then similarly you have to replicate it for all of other platforms. But that era is also going to end. How? Let me show you how it works. Currently, I am inside VS Code. If you want to download it, just go to the Mac Store or Windows and download VS Code or any platform that you use for coding. We are not gonna do any coding. I have the context like they are connected with a folder so that they can bring all the content, all the context, how I write, how I speak. It can maintain all of that context. But you can do the same thing exactly if you are using Claude on the web or if you are using GPT on the web. So yeah, let's start. Hi. So we need to generate content for our company AI Data House. And what we will be doing is you will take the role of social media manager and you know the best content and how to write the content, and you also know how to optimize it. The content should have value, and we have already scheduled content for AI Data House for past 14-15 days. First, bring the persona of social media manager of AI Data House and let's talk then. Okay, so why I gave this? Because I already have somewhere here a social media manager persona, marketing like CMO. In CMO I have social media manager persona that is already defined. If it is not defined, you can just speak and you can define it. For speaking, what I'm using is I am using Whisper Flow so that I can speak faster and it can convert that to transcript. Okay, so here you see it brought this social media plan.md file that I already have. Social media next 14-day post pack, it already have that content and it is bringing it. So it is bringing like how I want to speak with pain, problem, solution, relief. So this is how we speak. What is the problem? What is the solution? What was the tech stack that we used? Okay, today is 8 July and it is saying we already have social media content scheduled till 16. So what we need to do now? So main goal for this next batch starting 17 July, book audit calls, push a specific offer, grow followers and authority, and support outreach. Just to provide value, just to tell like what we are doing in our business, especially in data analytics and AI automation. And it is for the AI Data House, not for BraidScope. We will just sharing the value and so that any customer or any prospect that is reading that, any business owner who is looking to automate something, any business owner who is looking to implement data analytics in it, he should get what we are doing. Okay, how many days should this next batch? As this is a test, I will just run it for 7 days, but we can do 14 days as well currently. Okay, let's do it. This one is already fine. Want me to check how the currently live posts are actually performing? Okay, so it is asking should we pull the stats? No, not for this one, but we can do later. So how this is connected? Currently this will Claude will generate all the ideas. It is already connected with the brain. It know my pain problem, it know how we speak and all of that stuff. And then to generate images, it will give us a complete file with prompts. On the right side I have Codex open, and Codex is also in the same folder. It will take that file, it will generate the images, and in the third step I will again use Claude Code to post all of that social media content to my LinkedIn. How it is connected with LinkedIn? Currently, it is connected with an MCP of Omni Socials. So I will show you that part as well. Okay, what is saying got it value first 7 days LinkedIn FB no hard selling. Okay, and it brought some ideas. Most SMBs don't have a data problem, they have a scattered. Again, it is sound like AI. Hey buddy, you don't need to sound like AI. It should sound natural. It should sound like a human is writing it. English is our second language. It is not our first language. Use some simple words, simple sentences, and how humans speak. And every post should have some value. It should give some clarity. It should be valuable for the person who is reading it. So try to restructure your topics. Maybe you can bring 10 topics, and then you can select 5 top performing topics out of it. Definitely you can add many more stuff here, like from the insights we can bring all the insights. We can analyze our social media content, like how that's performing, and we can see what type of social media content is already performing well, and then we can go into that direction. Because in start you start posting multiple type of content, and then you say, okay, what your audience actually like, what your audience actually want to see, and then you go into that particular phase. So number one, live one numbers live in too many places. Everyone feel this, every hook into data analytics. Okay, good dashboard answers our question, the demo works. Okay, so from this analytics side, automation side, demo works. Month 2 is the best test, and AI agent is only as smart as its tools. Okay, your spreadsheet became your database. Okay, yeah, let's give with all of them, and give me create content for that, for LinkedIn particularly, and then create prompts for Codex, your sub agent who will be generating images. By following AI Data House logo, theme, and all that, you already know all of that stuff. It should use AI Data House logo that is already in the folder. It should use the same colors as well. So give me the detailed guide that I can just head over to Codex so it can generate images for me. Maybe this time we can skip carousels and we can just generate images to make it faster. In the last batch, I generated the carousels, and in this batch, I am generating images. Let me actually show you the carousels that I generated. So if I go here and go to link, so here you see these are the posts that is created by this same. This is another one, another one, another one. That carousel one that I am talking about, that was particularly for Instagram, and all of the information posts are very informational, very good at what's happening there. Okay, I will just pause, fast forward the video from here. So once it generate everything, we will continue. Okay, so it's done. Let's continue. Let's see what's done, and it has generated all the content that you can already do with even GPT, with even Codex, any platform that you can use for that. And now for here are the images. It generated some prompts. Kindly make prompts a little bit more specific, and also specify the location for logo and all that. The prompt should be very detailed so that it doesn't miss the quality. Hi, you will be working as a graphic designer, and today you will be creating posts for me. I have already prompts ready for all the 5-6 images that I will be posting on LinkedIn. You have to follow the strict branding of a data house. I am sharing the prompt shortly. Are you ready, buddy? I just gave the prompt to Codex as well with a little context, so that once we get a new prompt, I just give that prompt here and get back all the images. Okay, we got all the prompts. We also got overall guide. So yeah, let's copy all of it and let's paste it here. Let's see what we get back. Okay, so it is generating the images, and you will notice something like the images are infographic type, because I gave it the instruction. I like infographics, I like block diagrams and overall workflows, charts, and that's what my niche demand. So you have to generate images as per that. It will generate, it will fix the issues, and once everything is final, we will get the response. Currently, like, it is correcting it. So those corrections are patched. I am regenerating and doing one more visual, because you see here, this post, this doesn't look good, these charts. Okay, it generated 5 files. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so all the images are created. Now let's continue to Claude again, and let's post it to social media. Now let me show you this tool that is called Omni Socials, and how to connect it. What are the benefits? For social media scheduling, there are many tools in the market. There are Omni Social, there is Buffer, and there are some others available as well. For this one, the benefit is they also provide API, and they also provide MCP. So for example, if I go here in all integrations, so you can see this, they are providing MCP for Claude, that you can connect with Claude, you can connect with OpenClaw, and all of these tools. And how to connect it, let's say if I sign in, by the way, it is taking a little bit more money. And when you are creating the account, do create with email, because if you create it with Google, they will not allow you to change the email later, and that is very difficult step when your team has to use it. Okay, so you go to settings. Once you have the account, you go to settings, and next you go to integrations. From here you see MCP for Claude as well. So how you can connect the Claude, you see all the instructions here. If you want to connect it with ChatGPT, or you just want to take a MCP, you can take it from here. So currently, as it is connected with Codex as well, so I have created the API here. We can even connect it with OpenClaw, very famous. I hope you have heard about it. So it is already connected, but if you want to connect, just come here and you can connect yet. I have already gave my referral link for this Omni Socials tool in the chat. You can use that, and if there is something, but I'm not a fan of it. Particularly, I send them an email like if they don't shift my account from Google to simple email, I am just gonna leave it. Okay. So let's continue. Let's be here. Okay, so Codex generated the images. Let me give you its location, and you have the content, you have the images. Schedule it for LinkedIn AI Data House by using Omni Social credentials. Okay, let me just take all of it. We can give its reference and let's continue. If you are doing it for bulk, like you are creating 30, 40, 50 posts, or you are making the carousels, in that scenario, it is good if you just upload the images manually. How you can do that? Just go here and in the library, you can bring all the data, create a folder and bring all the data here. And then you can ask Claude to update everything there, because uploading is something that is very slow till now, but other than that, things are fast. So maybe you have seen all of these posts. All of this are there with AI. Definitely, I have given my case studies and all of the content that is available in our workspace, because most of the tools are connected and the data is very realistic. Okay, so Omni Social is not reachable right now, ready to go. Okay, so it is saying our Omni Social is not connected. So what we need to do is let's go to Claude, let's connect it. Customize connectors, and where it was. Okay, so let's reconnect, open Claude connectors. Here we should have Omni Socials. Okay, this one. We have it, but it's not working. Let's connect it again. Allow, in case you add a tool, you add a social media page, it will give this issue. I just reconnected it with the Omni Socials connector with the Claude AI. Kindly confirm you have access now. Okay, it's connected. AI Data House is there. It found the LinkedIn company page. Do you want to proceed? Yes, buddy, proceed. And you will notice here the all data will come shortly. If I go to post, and first it will come in library, and after that it will come in calendar. It should particularly come inside. A lot of posts are scheduled already. I think till July. For July, we already have the content. 20. It will start from 28. You see, uploading will take a little bit of time. Uploading one by one image. We can even automate, make it a little bit more faster in case you have a lot of again ideas that are you can shortlist by clicking in a database like Notion, and from there we can build an edit and workflow that take everything, generate image, generate content, and post it. That is also the possibility. But for me, it is particularly faster. It is relatively faster. All 5 images are uploaded, and now it will be generating the post. So if I go to here library, and so these are the 5 images in the light theme that it created now, and we have it. Images are not very good quality. Like if you see this one, it is easy to identify like this is an AI generated image, and same is the case for charts. The images can be improved. Maybe with Codex new model, maybe we can use Gemini to generate images and then embed it. So definitely you can optimize the flow as per your needs. All 5 are scheduled on 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. We got it duplicate. On one day we will be posting 2 or 3 posts. So on 17 we will be posting twice. There is one post, this one, and there is a second post that is scheduled at the same time. So that's a problem, but because this is a dummy post, so I will just delete it. I hope you like this, and let me show you the post here as well. So for example, this one, this is how it look, and this is the image that is coming. The image can be improved a little bit. I hope you liked it. If there is any question, just ask me in the comments, and I will answer all of it. Thank you. See you in the next video.